Happy morning students, welcome to grade 10 mathematics online class. Okay, we are dealing the chapter 2 numbers and sequences, the last sub chapter. What is that? Special series. Yes, last two classes we started this sub chapter, and the first class I gave 5 homework. I thought you completed that homework and have you checked with the book back answer, and the previous class I think there is 3 homework. Anyway, you need to check that also with your book back answer. Okay, then 2 more problems in that special series. After completing the special series, the whole second chapter will come to an end. Yes, then we need to start the chapter 3, last subchapter, matrices. Got it, students? Okay, shall we move for the class now? Take your textbook and classwork note and get ready for the class. Now we can solve the 2 problems in the last exercise of second chapter. Okay, dear students, take your textbook, page number 81, exercise 2.9, question number 6. Rekha has 15 square color papers of sizes 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm up to 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? Once again, I am repeating the question. Just listen. It is in page number 81. Okay, get ready with your textbook. Rekha has 15 square color papers. The size of the paper, that means the shape of the paper is square paper. So she has how many square papers? 15 square color papers. Okay, different color papers. Of sizes, different sizes. The shape is square and sizes, it is different sizes. The 15 square sheets also different sizes. The size starts from 10 centimeter, next one 11 centimeter, next one 12 centimeter, next one 13 centimeter, and the last 15th square sheet is 24 centimeter. So they asked how much area can be decorated with these color papers. They asked the area. For square shape, how will you find the area? For a square, the area is a square, correct? So here, listen, just I am explaining, the rough work I am explaining, listen. First square paper is of 10 centimeter. Second square paper little bit larger, 11 centimeter. Third square paper little bit larger, 12 centimeter. Got it, students? Then also little bit larger, 13 centimeter. Then also little bit larger, 14 centimeter. So up to the last one is very big one, that is 24 centimeter. So these are the color paper sizes. All of square boxes only, square sheets only, but different sizes. So what is the area of this square? Here the side is 10 centimeter. So what's the area? Area is 10 square, because area of square is equal to a square. Then a is 10 centimeter, then area is equal to 10 square. Then 11 centimeter, what's the area? 11 square. 12 centimeter, what's the area? 12 square. 13 centimeter, 13 square. 14 centimeter, 14 square. So the last square sheet, it is 24 square. See, read the question one more time. They asked how much area can be decorated with these color papers. So we need to take the total. So what, the 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus 13 square plus 14 square plus up to 24 square. That's addition term we need to find. Shall we do now? Okay, listen carefully. The first thing, given sides of 15 square color papers or 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter up to 24 centimeter. So total area. So total area, each area we need to calculate. For side 10 centimeter, what is the area? 10 square. For 11 centimeter, what is the area? 11 square. For 12 centimeter, what is the area? 12 square. Plus up to here 24 square. Why these terms are connected with plus? Because here total area. We need to add it. Okay, got it, students? Okay, now By using the formula, we are going to find this. 4 formulas we learned in the last class. What are they? The first one, sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural number means n into n plus 1 by 2. Second one, sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. That means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then sum of the cube of first n natural numbers. What is that? N into, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Then what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So now here, listen, 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus up to 24 square. How will you split this? So here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to 24 square minus, here the formula always starts with 1, 2, 3. So only we started like this. 1 to 24 terms we need to add. After that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to, from 10 only we need. So we need to subtract up to 9. Got it, students? Okay. We know that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square is equal to, what's the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. So this one, mark it as first equation. So total area is equal to, first equation implies total area is equal to the first bracket 1 to 24. So here also 1 to n square. In the place of n, what is present here? 24 is present. So you should replace each n by 24. Got it? So 24 into 24 plus 1 into 2 into 24 plus 1 by 6 minus, here 1 square to 9 square. Here also 1 square to n square. So here n is equal to 9. We should replace each n by 9. So 9 into 9 plus 1 into 2 into 9 plus 1 by 6. Got it? Which is equal to 24 into 24 plus 1, 25 into 2 into 24, that is 48. 2 times of 28 is 48. So 48 plus 1, 49 by 6 minus 9 into 10 into 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. You need to cancel. After that you need to subtract. Then you will get the answer. Got it, students? The same step only I am repeated here. So here 1 6 is 6, 4 6 are 24. Then here also 10 and 6 we can cancel, no, for second table. So this is 5 and this is for 3. Then again 3 3s are 9. Then you will get the answer easily. Listen carefully. 4 times 25 is 100. Got it? So 100 into 49 minus 3 5s are 15. So 15 into 19, which is equal to 4900 minus 19 into 15. 9 5s are 45. So here 9, here also 9, here 1. So 5, 18, 1, 285. So just subtract it, you will get the answer. Okay, when subtracting you will get 4615 centimeters square. Why we are putting here square? This is total area. Area you need to mention it as square units. So total area is equal to 4615 centimeters square. Got it, students? Shall we move for the next problem? The last problem in second chapter, the 7th problem. Okay, write the problem now. Find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus the see your textbook, they wrongly typed as 15 cube. It is not 15 cube, it is 5 cube. Okay, just change it. 6 cube minus 5 cube. New book and old book also they printed wrongly. Just clarify your question. That is, find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube plus up to, first one is n terms. Second one is 8 terms. Okay, got it, students? Listen, find the sum of the series. First we can write it as solution. We need to find the sum of this series. One series is given. Inside bracket, see 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then what will be the next term? 7 cube minus 7 not. Here 2, 4, 6. Then 8 cube minus 7 cube. The numbers will go like that. Okay, let's come to the fact. 2 cube minus 1 cube. We need to find the sum. Plus 4 cube minus 3 cube. Plus 6 cube minus 5 cube. Plus up to n terms, which is equal to. Okay, now I am going to write it in short way. That is, I am going to shorten this. That means here plus. Plus means we can write it as summation. Okay, general term I am going to write now. That is nth term. What is the nth term of this series? I am going to write the nth term of this series. So series means summation. Okay, listen carefully. Summation. Now the general term I am going to write. Here, see the first term, all the brackets, the first term is even number or odd number. Here 2, here 4, here 6. So the first term should be an even number. So I am writing 2n the whole cube. 2n is always even. Put n equal to 1, you will get 2. Put n equal to 2, you will get this 4. Put n equal to 3, you will get this 6. Then n equal to 4 means you will get 8, the next term. Got it, students? So in the general form I am writing. From the general form we can find the answer for this. So plus, that means summation of. Then see the first term, 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube. It is all even numbers. So I am writing 2n this cube. Then minus. This 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. So this number minus 1 comes here. Got it? Here 2 minus 1, 1 only. This is the answer. 4 minus 1 is 3. The answer is here. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 2n minus 1 is 2n minus 1. The whole cube. Got it, students? So this is the general term of this series. First we wrote the general term. After that, summation of here 2n the whole cube minus 2n minus 1 the whole cube. Do you know the cube formula? A minus b the whole cube. Just I am writing here. Listen carefully. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Got it? Okay. First, study the formula very carefully. A minus b the whole cube means a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now we expand this. 2n minus 1 the whole cube is equal to a cube means 2n the whole cube minus 3 into a square 2n the whole square into b means 1 plus 3 into a means 2n, b square means 1 square minus b is 1 cube. So this is the answer. Listen carefully, this is very important. So a minus b the whole cube, just I am expanding like this. 2n minus 1 the whole cube means 2n the whole cube minus 3 in the place of a 2n, place of b 1. Then plus 3, again the same factor, minus 1 cube. Got it? Now, just I am copying this answer here. So minus outside, inside the bracket, 2n the whole cube minus 3 into 2n the whole square plus 3 into 2n. 1 square is 1 only, so no need to write, minus 1, which is equal to, this is summation of the whole term, summation of. Here also summation of the full term. Why we put this summation here? This is series, addition. So summation of. Then summation of, just I am writing here, listen. Now I am taking the square and the cube of these. Otherwise, multiply the minus inside, then you will get one term. So summation of, listen carefully, 2n the whole cube minus 2n the whole cube plus 3 into 2n the whole square minus 3 into 2n plus 1. Got it, students? Okay. Any cancellation factor here? 2n the whole cube, 2 minus 2n the whole cube will cancel. Then 3 into 2n the whole square minus 3 into 2n plus 1, which is equal to, now simplify this. 3 into 4n square minus 6n plus 1, which is equal to summation of up to n terms only, no? So n is equal to 1 to n only. Yes. So here 4 3s are 12n square minus 6n plus 1. Now take the summation inside. So 12 into summation n square minus 6 into summation n plus 1 into summation 1 only. Listen carefully. Here I am taking the summation inside. So for the numbers, no need to take the summation. Numbers we can took outside. So 12 into summation n square minus 6 into summation n plus 1 into summation 1. Okay. Now 12 into, what is summation n square? What is the meaning of summation n square? Here all the summation value n is equal to 1 to n only. Got it? So here again one rough work. Summation n means 1, 2, 3 up to n. Here summation n. So summation means addition of n factors. So 1, 2, 3 up to n. Summation n square means square term. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square. So use this two formula here. So summation n square means second formula. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n into n plus 1 by 2. Got it? So just I am copying this formula there. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 6 into n plus 1 by 2. So plus 1 into summation 1. What's the meaning of summation 1? Summation 1 means here up to how many terms? N terms. So summation 1 equal to n. So here 1 into n, that is n. Got it? So 6 and 12 can cancel 2. Here 2 and this will cancel 3. So 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 3n into n plus 1 plus n, which is equal to. So you need to take the common outside. What are the common terms? N is common, correct? So inside the bracket 2 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n plus 1 plus 1. Listen dear students, here n into, multiply this 2 inside. So 2n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3n minus 3 plus 1. Got it? So n into, multiply this term, term by term. So 2n into 2n, 4n square. Then again plus 2n plus 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 2. Okay. So plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. Then n into 4n square plus 6n minus 3n. This is equal to n into 4n square plus 3n. So multiply this n inside. What is the answer? 4n cube plus 3n square. So for the first one answer we got. Here see, find the sum of n terms. So for n terms this is the answer. Therefore sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus, that is not 15 cube, that is 5 cube, plus up to n terms. For n terms the answer is 4n cube. The answer also you should get it in n terms. Okay. Then for the second one, 8 terms. So put n equal to 8 in 1. Okay. For n term we got the answer. Now put n equal to 8 in this. Therefore 4n cube plus 3n square is equal to 4 into 8 cube plus 3 into 8 square, which is equal to 4 into 8 8s are 64, 64 into 8, 32, here 6 8s are 48, 512. So 512 plus 3 into 64, which is equal to, again you need to multiply. So rough work I am doing here, 512 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4, 20. 64 into 3, 12, 18, 19. You should add this. 2048 plus 192. So 1, 9, 10, 14, then 2, 2. So see the answer here, when multiplying 4 into 512 is 2048 plus 3 into 64 is 192. So adding, we are getting 2240. So this is the final answer. Got it, students? So once again I am repeating the same problem. Find the sum of the series. N terms and 8 terms. So we need to find the sum. Sum means, in short, we can write summation. So the general term we are going to write. Here first term 2, 4, 6. So definitely it is an even numbers. For even number, what is the general form? 2n. This whole cube. Then minus. Here see the second term. Second term is always an odd number. So odd number means this even number minus 1 gives odd number. 2 minus 1 is 1. This even number minus 1 is this odd number. This even number minus 1 is this odd number. So in our answer also 2n minus 1 is the required odd number. So 2n minus 1 is 2n minus 1 the whole cube. After that 2n minus 1 the whole cube, by using the formula a minus b the whole cube, just expand it and do the calculations here. Here summation n square means this formula. 1 square plus 2 square up to n square. Summation n means also the previous formula. Then apply it and cancel the terms, and at last we will get this one, sum of the series, that is 4 cube plus 3n square. Then n terms, that means n equal to 8. If n equal to 8, the second subdivision is n is equal to 8. Then you will get the answer. Got it, students? So successfully we completed the second chapter. And third chapter, see your textbook. So the one words, just try yourself, and if you have any doubts, and the upcoming classes we will clarify, and during the interactive sessions you can clear your doubts in the one word session. Okay, make use of the interactive classes also. Then so second chapter completed. Third chapter up to 3.14 I taught. Correct, no? Yes, 3.14 we learned, we completed. And for the half-yearly examination also you wrote. Then graph is there. 2 types of graph is there. Then come to the next subchapter. So after completing the subchapter, we will deal the graph, and the geometry also more problems we need to learn. Okay, now matrices. This one better you can continue in your third chapter note. Okay. So matrices, put the heading matrices. It is in the page number 137. The slight introduction today I will give, and the next class, next upcoming classes we will go for the problems. Okay. So listen, matrices. Matrices is the arrangement of numbers. Okay, it contains rows and columns. For example, listen here. Matrices. It comes under chapter 3 algebra. Chapter 3 in algebra note, you need to continue this. Got it, students? So matrices. Matrices means arrangement of numbers. Numbers is arranged in certain order. Arrangement of numbers. So it contains rows and columns. Rows and columns. So listen carefully. First, matrices are denoted by the capital letters A, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, and inside the numbers we can denote it as small letters, otherwise numbers we can mention, and you need to put this type of brackets. That means this type of brackets you can use for matrices. Okay, this type of bracket also, square brackets also you can use, but this type of brackets no need to use. This is set brackets. Set brackets are not allowed in matrices, and this two parentheses, this is parenthesis and this is square bracket. These two brackets you can use for writing matrices. Got it? So I am writing the rows and columns, arrangement of numbers I am writing. Just listen. I am using the square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here how many rows? Rows means the horizontal way. First row, this is row 1, and second row, this is row 2, and this is third row, so this is row 3. Got it, students? So how many rows in this matrix? There are 3 rows. Then how many columns? This is first column. This is second column. This is third column. So there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So, then B. 0, minus 1, 2, minus 4. Minus numbers also you can mention inside. Minus 8. So the rows and columns we can denote it by order. Order of matrix. Order of matrix means how many rows and how many columns it contains. So how many rows in this matrix? B matrix. First row, second row, third row. So 3 rows by. Don't call it by into or multiplication. In matrices you need to call it by. Okay, by. 3 by. How many columns? First column, second column. So there are only 2 columns. So you can write the order of matrix. Order of matrix means how many columns and how many rows it have. So first number always denote rows and the second number always denote columns. So the B matrix contains 2 columns. So the order of matrix is 2 by 3. How will you read this? Not 2 into 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. The order of matrix. This one. The first number denotes number of rows and the second number denotes number of columns. Okay, got it, students? Now see the C matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this one. How many? What is the order of this matrix? Order is equal to how many rows? First row, second row. So 2 rows. 2 rows by how many columns? 2 columns. This one. Order. So how many rows here? First row, second row, third row. So 3 rows. And how many columns? Only 1 column. So only 1 column. This one very important as well as very easiest chapter. Matrix means arrangement of numbers. It contains rows and columns and these brackets are allowed and this bracket is not allowed. And you can write first thing you need to find the order of matrix. Order of matrix means number of rows. How many number of rows and how many number of columns it have. Okay, first number denotes number of rows and second number denotes number of columns. So in these matrix you can refer for example. Okay, some types of matrices we can learn now. Types of matrices. First type is row matrix. Row matrix means it contains only 1 row. If a matrix contains only row means that is row matrix. Only 1 row means it can contain more columns. So 1, 3, 5. What is the order? Only 1 row. And how many columns? First column, second column, third column. So 3 columns. So row matrix means it will contain 1 row and many columns. So column matrix. The second type is column matrix. Column matrix is it contains only 1 column and many row. So A is equal to only 1 column. So it will come like this. So order is equal to first row, second row, third row. 3 rows and only 1 column. So be very clear, row matrix contain only 1 row, column matrix contain only 1 column. And the next type, what's the next type? Square matrix. In square matrix, there is very simple, order the order means number of rows equal to number of columns, that is square matrix. Got it, students? For example, A is equal to 2, 5, 9, 4, 6, 3, 5, minus 1, 3. What is the order? Order is equal to, here how many rows? First row, second row, third row. So 3 rows by 3 columns. Here number of rows and number of columns is equal. That type of matrix is square matrix. So square matrix, this is of order 3. Order 3 means 3 by 3. Order 2 means 2 by 2. So a square matrix of order 2 means 2 minus 2, 5 minus 7. This is of order 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Got it? So square matrix, 3 types of matrices we learned. What are they? Row matrix, column matrix, square matrix. And many matrices are there. Around 5, 8 to 9 types are there. Yes, 9, 10 types are there. Okay. In the upcoming classes we will study those things and one homework for you. Mark it. Okay, listen, mark your homework problem now. Mark the homework problems, dear students. Homework problem, this is not book bag problem, it is my own problem. You need to do in your classwork note, okay? For the answers I will tell in the next class. So find the order of the following matrices: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these 5 matrices you need to find the order, and for the second one write examples of row, column, square matrices. Write 5 examples. 5 examples of each type. Row matrix 5 example you need to write. Column 5 examples. Square matrix 5 example. Then only you will get clear idea about this. And today's class we will wind up now, and the upcoming class we will learn the remaining problems also. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.